Yo, I step to the mic now to see how you are. Got to let you all know the name's the Hamua. Well, I'll be keeping it real because I ain't no faker. I give it to you like Warren G, the regulator. Me say all of the evil wanna be kicking it with me. The mad love I have for them is really not surprising. It's really not that much of a mystery. Not like oh, Ma'anonu and his eye graffiti. See, I'm hot and fresh like the East Coast sunrise. I got the moko skin, I'm spitting rhymes horrified. Saying things to keep that coke papa glorified. You see I'm allowed because my fucker papa be petrified like a rock on Hikurangi Mona. Cruising with the E-Wee, never be a loner. I'm the type of fella everybody calls bro. 6 foot stallion, well riding HAATI pro whoa. No whangara mai tawhiti rohe. East side te tairāwhiti maunga. Puke hāpopo manenui. Ko wai o moko te awa te iwi Ngāti kono hi kai ngā. Whangara mai tawhiti rohe. East side te tairāwhiti maunga. Puke hāpopo manenui. Ko wai o moko te awa te iwi Ngāti kono hi. That's my iwi. Whangara, thank God for that place. I thank God for this place, thank God for you too. See you kicking it back with THC, dropping some positive type healthy tunes. THC, the HAATI Coastie, that handsome cousin. Te Hatakihi, ooh, that's a naughty word. Here to spread some love with you, my whanau. Teach you how to be handsome. Just like me. Woo. You see, I left the East Coast hometown gazee. Chuck my stuff in the car, moved the tamaki. Now here I am, how you are, cuzzy? I'm that fella that you've seen up on the TV. Yes, I left the East Coast hometown gazee. Chuck my stuff in the car, moved the tamaki. Now here I am. Cause I'm kicking back, singing about my whole own. I'm at the mic with a little explanation on how it should be going down in this nation. Keep them when the origins highly uplifted. Celebrating being Maori, good looking and gifted. Kaupapa never shifted, it's been like that from the start. Like a tidal wave of passion straight from the heart. Just the son of a preacher man when I tells you you's a cutie. There's nothing like a rickety real brown beauty. Brown beauty, yes that's you my sister. That's you, my cousin, that's you, my breather. Each and every one of you, your little rangatator. See, a lot of people will tell you that you're a shit. They're wrong, cousin. Cause you're a chief cousin, you live like it, yo. If someone tells you you're a shit, then you're gonna act like a shit. But you're a chief cousin, you live like it, yo.